place is very popular for jalebi and fafda. This is ghee? Sugar?
Sugar,
Okay.
ghee.
Oh, ghee inside and sugar there, okay. They cook it in ghee. Oh, it must be so flavorful. Rich, definitely. I don't know what it is. It smells like, yeah, rose. Maybe that's the secret ingredient. Got full of sugar. Oh my god. Shower in sugar. Oh, look at the kitchen. Let's take a look. What's the name?
Papra.
Papra. Okay. Look how he does it.